Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you the syntax of CSS. So why getting late? Let's get started. First, write down the HTML structure here and just type h1 tag and write down your name. I'm just typing my name and open with live server. It's working. And CSS is used with inline, internal and external. I will show three of these now. For inline CSS, you have to choose a style, and if you wanna style this, just write down color red, like red, and it's working. If you wanna just color the background, sorry, it's black, and the background is black. So if you wanna do it internally, so you have to do it here. Just write down the style tag here and cut it and paste it here. Remove this, and you have to choose a selector here. You can just write down these styles. You have to put the second bracket and the selector. The selector is h1, and you have to write down the h1. Now it will work properly. It's working. If you don't write the h1, see, it's not working. So selector is very important. So if you want to do it externally, just delete this, and you have to link the style sheet. Just link the style sheet. I have already made a style sheet here, style.css, so I'm linking it. So it's connected now. So if you wanna style here, just it's working. So this is the 3 terms of CSS. We will continue in your next video. Thank you.